Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the trigonometrical ratios. In trigonometrical ratios, we are connected with the right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is right angle at B and the angle is at A. So this will be the baseline, this will be perpendicular and this will be hypotenuse. But if case is different, so if this is theta is here, then this line will be the baseline, this will be perpendicular and the hypotenuse will be unchanged and remain same. The angle, the side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. Basically we have 6 trigonometrical ratios, that is sine theta, cos theta, tangent theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. To know what is sine, cos, tangent, cosecant and secant, we have to learn this. Some people have curly brown hair through proper brushing. Again, some people have curly brown hair through proper brushing. This is sine, cos and tangent. So meaning by sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos is base upon hypotenuse, tangent is perpendicular upon base, cosecant is reciprocal of sine theta. So this will be cosecant, that means hypotenuse by base. Secant is reciprocal of cos theta, that is hypotenuse by base. This will be perpendicular. So cot is reciprocal of tangent, this will be b by p. Tangent is also, we can write sine theta by cos theta. So this will be cos theta by sine theta. This you have to remember, this secant and this is cot theta. Or some remember in other way, that is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole. This is sine, cos, tangent, cosecant, secant and cot theta. So what kind of a sum we get and how to do the sums? Now we have to understand. The first sum we get is ABC is right angle at B and AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter, and find sine A cos A. Find sine A cos A. So before we do anything, we need to find AC, that is hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular square plus base square under the root. So AC is equal to 625. So AC is equal to 25. So this comes 25 centimeter. Now we have to find sine A. Sine A. Sine is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole. Sine. Sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, 7 by 25. Cos A means theta is here. Cos is base upon hypotenuse, 24 by 25. Third is sine C. Sine C. Sine C means what? Sine C means angle is at C now. So we can do one thing, we can make the figure again. We can make the figure again. So this is C, this is B, this is A, AB is 24, BC is 7 and this is 25. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse and cos C is base upon hypotenuse 7 by 25. Second sum in this is find sine square theta plus cos square theta. Sine square A plus cos square A. Sine A was 7 by 25. Cos A was 24 by 25. So this is 49 by 25. 625. 576 by 625. 625 by 625, it 1. So from here it is proved that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is one identity which we have to remember. Third sum we get in this is sine square theta minus cos square theta, rather A. Sine square A minus cos square A. Sine square A means 49 by 625, 576 by 625, 625, 49 by 576, 7 and 6, 2, and this is 5 by 625 negative, right? Second sum is that secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Calculate all trigonometrical ratios. All trigonometrical ratios. All trigonometrical ratio means we have to find sine, cos, tangent, secant, cosecant, etc. So before we do, we have to draw the triangle. This is A, B, C, this is 90 and this is theta. Secant. So Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole. Har Har Bhole. So secant. Secant is what? This is sine, this is cos, this is tangent, this is cosecant, this is secant, and this is cot. Secant is what? Secant theta is hypotenuse by base, which is equal to 13 by 12. This is 13 and this is 12. So find BC will be 13 square minus 12 square under the root. So BC is equal to 169 minus 144, which is under root 25, which is 5 centimeter. Now we have to find all trigonometrical ratios. First of all, we have to find sine theta. Sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, 5 by 13. Cos theta. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Tangent theta. Tangent theta is perpendicular upon base, 5 by 12. Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine, is 13 by 5. Secant is there. Cot theta is reciprocal of cot, 12 by 5. This is 1 by sine theta. This is 1 by tangent theta. Right? Question number 3 is, if sine theta is equal to 5 by 13, find the value of tangent theta plus 1 by cos theta. This is theta. So sine theta. Sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse is 5 by 13. So this is 13. Somewhere it is taken k or x, and this is 5k. So we'll find base. Base is equal to 13k square minus 5k square under the root. So AB is equal to 169k square minus 25k square under the root. AB is equal to 144k square under the root is 12k. So this will be 12k. Now we will substitute the value. The value will be tangent theta plus 1 by cos theta. Tangent is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. What is tangent? Perpendicular upon base. 5 by 12. 1 by cos. Meaning by 1 by cos. Cos is base upon hypotenuse. So this is 5 by 12 plus 13 by 12. This is 18 by 12. This is 6, 3 by 2. Another sum. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, in a right angle triangle, ABC, right angle at B, cot A, theta is here, cot A is 1. Cot means base upon perpendicular, is meaning by both are 1. So we have to find first AC will be 1 square plus 1 square under the root. AC will be under root 2. So this come under root 2. We have to find the value of 2 sine A cos A. So 2 into sine. Sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is base upon hypotenuse. 2 into 1 by 2. This is cancel 1. So answer will be 1. So now the question number 5. Question number 5 is tangent theta is equal to 5 by 12. Find secant theta. First, find secant theta plus cosecant theta. So tangent theta is given. Tangent theta is perpendicular upon base, is 5 by 12. This is 5, this is 12. So AC will be 5 square plus 12 square under the root is 169 under the root is 13. So now the first is secant theta. Secant is perpendicular upon, secant is base, hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse is 13 by 12. And the second sum, second is cosecant theta. We have to find secant theta plus cosecant theta. Secant theta is 13 by 12. Cosecant is hypotenuse by perpendicular 5. So LCM will be 60. 13 is common. 5 plus 12. 13 into 17 by 60. So this will be 221 by 60. So that is all for today. Thank you very much.